Cutting your cement board is fast and easy using a scoring or utility knife, and the knife will produce much less dust than a saw. You'll need a straight edge like a level or 2x4, eye protection, a face mask, Sharpie or carpenter pencil, utility or scoring knife, and a tape measure. Start by measuring and marking your cut line. Mark a straight line using your straight edge. Place the straight edge along the line and score several times with a utility knife or scoring knife. Repeat your cut until it is deep. To snap the cement board, apply pressure in the direction of the uncut back. Here's an alternate snapping method if the cut is more central. With the utility knife, cut along the folded line of the back until you cut all the way through. As an optional step, clean up the edge with your knife. I hope the video was helpful. Be sure to like, comment, and sub for more concise videos like this one. Thanks for watching.